Greetings everybody and welcome. Today we are back with yet another video and we will be discussing about how to fix WhatsApp Meta AI not working on an iPhone. So if you are one of those guys really annoyed with this not having the Meta AI feature and your friends are having that, so fortunately I got the solution for you guys. The very first thing that you're going to do is make sure that you update your WhatsApp to the latest version, since that might directly fix the issue. And still, if you're living in a region where maybe potentially the Meta AI is not launched yet, so you can see the feature is currently only available in limited countries and might not be available to you yet, even if other users in your country have access. So that could be some regional issue, and by waiting a week or maybe a month, you are gonna get your Meta AI since it is in its beta stages. So nothing to panic about. Um, it is at this time only available for English, French, Hindi, Portuguese, Spanish, and you can see various other regions. So you will get it. Do not worry about that. And try updating, maybe uninstall and reinstall it. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.